Hello there, this is Rihan. Today I will discuss how to install Tor-browser on your Kali Linux. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, I just go to terminal, then click. Then here you have to must update apt package. Okay, so I just update sudo apt update, then enter, then password. Okay, so after update you have to just simply type sudo apt install -y and then just type tor and Tor-browser launcher. Okay, then enter. It's working. So I just skip this video because it's totally dependent on your internet connection. So I just skip this thing. Okay, so after download all packages, you just simply type tor and browser launcher and just enter, then it will show you. So, okay, done. We are success to install Tor-browser on your Kali Linux. So okay guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and like and share this video with your friends. So take care and bye bye.